If you need to change the email associated with your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings and then tap on Profile to access your account details. Step 3. Edit email address. In the Profile section, look for the option to edit your email address. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Step 4. Verify your new email. After entering the new email, Lyft may send a verification email to that address. Check your inbox for the verification email and follow the instructions provided to confirm the change. Step 5. Update and save changes. Once your new email is verified, return to the Lyft app to ensure the changes are saved. Double check that your new email is displayed correctly in your profile settings. By following these steps, you can easily change the email linked to your Lyft account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft customer support for assistance.